music department makes people who maybe recreate art, and you play an instrument, you're playing somebody else's music, but we also make people who create art.
We were just putting on a composer's show, and basically just a bunch of the students and one of the faculty members wrote songs and decided to put them in the show. I definitely like to get my hands dirty, especially because not only is it fun, but I also learn a lot faster that way.
I actually think we are unique in terms of how small we are and how far we are from a major cultural center to be offering and giving students what we're giving, and then students come out and they're successful.
I love making music for others to feel something. I love when people get into it and they love what I love to make. It's a great feeling.
You know, we build a community here at UND Music where we all help each other out, and it teaches networking, it teaches being on time, it teaches doing good work, and it teaches being a good colleague and reliable. And if we're all that, then everybody wants to work with each other, and then we can do that much more stuff.